Nigo Nigo Baikerana Komorera ase usigo Baikerana ase getie kigyo chigosori kyanya ya somoiga bwoko mwenio muskerelo dinga na komwesko yo mwerio Abarai abo Baikerana Nigo bairari baga herio na Komorera Raila ase bono ba motogirie kubwatekana no kwiro kwae haso kurwandira abakenya boigo hase orogongo rwa Afrika kwene kyabuna nkonyora rure okwa bosenkonyora rure eganga yo kuikiranio Burayi buya na boigo kuikiranirwa kwa magendro Murikito Linet Nyambane agotumanya senchera yo Baikerana.
Tumeambiwa hapa, tulimjua kwa majina tofauti, Agwambo, Jacob, Tinga, lakini kama Wakenya kutoka kona zote tulimjua na tukamheshimu kama baba.
Agwambo, Tinga, Jacob, Enigma, Woodpin, Baba, the man in whose honor we gather here today.
Egati Abarai abo Baikerana no murai bwense William Ruto mokonyoye Professor Kithure Kindiki omwaziri wa mang'ana y'echinsi cheisco Musalia Mudavadi omugabana bwe county ya Kisii Moses Mbarati omurai bwense ya Zimbabwe na boigo Abarai bande abange omurai bwense ya Kenya William Ruto nigo amuinyora Raila asogotwara amaono amaya asense ya Kenya.
Citizens, those who worked closely with the Honorable Raila Amolo Odinga know that he was irrevocably stubborn in his vision for a just, prosperous, and united Kenya, a nation where opportunity belonged to all and justice favors none. I have come a very long way with Baba. When I stood by him with the other Pentagon members at a defining moment in his and our nation's history, I neither knew that one day we would find ourselves on opposite sides, nor could I have imagined that years later he would stand by me, this time to steady the nation and to help anchor my leadership, culminating in the birth of the broad-based government.
Kenyatta nere ni garura magombaye asatebire osiririe omusani omonene kirage.
Tuko hapa pamoja kama Wakenya kusherehekea maisha ya Mkenya mwenzetu, kiongozi, rafiki yangu, lakini mimi nilimpenda kama ndugu yangu.
Abarai abo Baikerana asomoye goyo nigo bono baruro kuburi guchasa Abakenya gutwara obotwereru na boigo omorembe ekyo nakyo gento Raila anchete.
Whenever Kenya needed reason, he became the voice of reason courageously. And whenever the country needed a hand of reconciliation, he offered it without hesitation.
Nyagosira Raila Odinga nigo anchete ense ya Kenya no moyo yo bwensi na boigo niga anchete ense ya Afrika na kigekogera Abarai korwa chinse ao na boigo ime ya Eserekari na bari bakwamereria Eserekari banyara ko babagwika ase egetie keiga kyanyayo eriko moa esiko yo mwerio ngoripoteria Ensoko TV korwa obogotegeti bwegetie keiga erietariane Linet Nyambani.